everyone, welcome back to Zakaria Robotics channel. Before we start, I want to say sorry for the late video and thank you for your patience. Today, I'm bringing you something extremely exciting, a complete explanation of how to build your own portable solar power station, step by step, with clear information and smart details. I don't have the physical components here, but this video is designed to give you full understanding, so when you do get the parts, you will be ready to build the system confidently. A portable solar power station is basically a compact energy system that captures sunlight, converts it into electricity, stores it inside a battery, and allows you to use that energy anywhere you go. It's like carrying a small power plant that works with clean, free, and renewable energy. Whether you're outdoors, camping, facing a power outage, or working on robotics projects away from any outlet, this kind of system gives you reliable electricity anytime you need it. Let's break everything down in a simple way. The system only needs four primary components, but each one has a critical role. Solar panel. This is the device that captures sunlight and turns it into direct current DC electricity. It's your main energy source, and the stronger the panel, the faster your station charges. 2. Charge controller. This is the protective brain of the system. It regulates voltage, prevents battery damage, and ensures your entire setup runs safely and efficiently. 3. Battery. This is where your energy is stored. Think of it as the core of your portable station. When the sun disappears, the battery keeps your devices running. 4. Output ports inverter. These are the connectors you use to power your devices. USB ports for phones, 12-volt outputs for lights or small tools, and an inverter if you want to run AC devices like chargers or small appliances. You ask me, Zakaria, how the system operates. The operation of a portable solar power station is elegantly simple. Sunlight falls into the solar panel, which immediately converts it into electrical energy instead of sending this raw energy directly to the battery, which could damage it. The charge controller steps in, stabilizing and regulating the power. This controlled energy then flows safely into the battery, where it gets stored for later use. Once the battery is charged, you can access that stored power through USB ports, 12-volt outputs, or an inverter, even though the components are small and portable. The process is the same concept, used in large scale renewable energy systems, just compact and easy to understand. Here is how you would theoretically wire the entire system if you had the components in front of you. Step 1. Connect charge controller battery. This must be the first connection. The controller needs to detect the battery type to set the correct charging parameters. Step 2. Connect solar panel, charge controller. Now the controller receives energy from the panel and manages how it enters the battery. Step 3. Connect output ports. Battery. After that, you can add your USB models, DC ports, or an inverter to use the stored energy. Step 4. Add safety fuses. Always place fuses between major components. It's a simple way to protect your system from high current or short circuits. Let's make choosing the parts really easy. Think about what you need the station for. Then map the power level. Small lightweight system. Solar panel 40 to 60 W. Battery from 7 Ah to 12 Ah. Usage phones, LED lights, small electronics. Medium power system. Solar panel 80 to 120W. Battery 20 to 30 Usage laptops, routers, cameras, camping equipment. High power system, solar panel from 150 to 200W. Battery from 40 to 50 Using emergency backup tools, big electronic. For the best performance and long life, I always recommend Life PO4 batteries. They are stable, safe, lightweight, and last thousands of cycles. If you want to make your station more advanced, more like something from the Zakaria Robotics lab, here are additional upgrades you can add. A digital screen showing voltage, current, and battery percentage, USB-C PD fast charging models, cooling fans for the inverter, a solar input indicator, a custom 3D printed or laser cut enclosure, a strong carrying handle of wheels, multiple charging ports for different devices. These upgrades take your system from basic to professional robotic engineer level. Even when building a simple setup, safety always comes first. Never connect the solar panel directly to the battery without a charge control. Use thick wires if your current is high. Keep all connections tight to avoid heating, and fuses where needed, and always make sure your battery is stored in a safe, cool area protected from direct sunlight. And that's the full explanation of how a portable solar power station works and how can build one yourself. All broken down clearly, step by step, in true Zakaria Robotics style. Even without the physical components here, the important thing is understanding the full system. And now you have the complete knowledge to build it whenever you're ready. If you want a part 2, a stronger version, an animation, or a full 3D model, just let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep creating and learning. This is Zakaria Robotic channel, and I will see you in the next video.